In this video, I will show you Adobe Acrobat Pro DC interface when you open a PDF file. Click on the file to open. When a file is opened, you can see this pane. This is called search tool pane. You can expand it by clicking here. You can collapse it by clicking here. Similarly, this is called bookmarking pane. You can expand it from clicking here. You can collapse it by clicking here. The find tool pen is used to add frequently used tools in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Let's see. There is create PDF, edit PDF, request e-signature, fill and sign, export PDF, organize pages, send for comment, scan and OCR, protect, certificate, and this is more tools. So to add any tool here, you can simply click on the tools button here. You can click on the add button simply here. You can see it is added. You can simply delete it by clicking on the cross button. Let me add another redact tool. Click on add. You can see it is added here. So when you open the page, you can use the tool from here only. You don't need to go to the tools and use the given tool. You can simply add the most frequently used tool here so that it will be easy for you to work using that tool. Let me show you. You can redact this line, apply, click on OK, save. You can see it has been redacted. So you can use the interface from here only. Similarly, close it. Similarly, you can share this file with other by clicking here. You can send file by email. You can share a link of this file by clicking here. You can rotate page. You can delete page. You can edit text and image. You can sign document by typing or drawing signature. You can highlight the text. Let me highlight it for you. You can see it is highlighted with pink color. You can click on the left arrow. You can change the color. You can see it is now green color. Similarly, by clicking left, you can delete the color. Let me highlight it again. Similarly, you can also highlight it from here, underline it, select it, strike through, redact it, copy the text, edit text and image from here only. You can add sticky notes. Let me add the note. Good job. And post it. You can drag the note to any point like here, like here. You can move the page control out of the toolbar. It will be here. You can again click on here. It will be again here. You can click here for more tools. You can zoom in from here like 100 or 125. You can also zoom it. You can also zoom in from here. Zoom out from here. You can click on the. You can click here to pan the document. You can click here for selection. By clicking here, we can move one page down. Let's see 1 out of 4 page. Now Now it is 2 out of 4 page. Now it is 3 out of 4 page. Similarly, you can move one page up by clicking here. 2 out of 4 page. 1 out of 4 page. Similarly, here you can use to search any text in a given document, like let type labor. You can see the labor is highlighted. You can print from here. You can upload the document to the cloud. You can start this file by clicking here. A new dialog box will appear. It is saying that on all your device, which means that you can access the document on any of your device. So basically, by selecting this option, your document will be uploaded to Adobe Cloud and you can access it from anywhere on any device by just logging in. If you select this option, you won't be able to access your document from anywhere. So it's better to select this one. Click cancel as I am not going to use it. And finally, you can save it from here.